What is a spark plug? How many are there? Why change it? How many days to change it? Peace be upon you, my friends. Welcome to your favorite auto channel. Today we will talk about a small part of the car. Without that, your car won't start. Yes, friends, today's topic, spark plug. I will know in this video. What is the spark plug? How much is there? Why is it wasted? How long should they change? You will see the video at the end. Sure to use the car care spark plug key. Friends, spark plugs are mainly used in petrol and CNG car engines. It works inside the engine. Fire in a mixture of fuel and air. When you turn the car keys, the spark plug then makes a small chingery. Because of that shit, the engine burns. Simply put, spark plug are the matchstick of the engine fire. Unless the spark is right, the car will not start. Power will go down. Mileage will also be low. Spark plug. Now comes the question. How many spark plugs does a car have? The rule is very simple. The more cylinders, the more spark plugs. 3-cylinder engine, 3 spark plug. 4-cylinder engine, 4 spark plug. 6-cylinder engine, 6H spark plug. Most cars in Bangladesh, 4 cylinders, there are 4 spark plugs. Why change the spark plug? Friends, spark plug works on fire all the time. So over time, head gets burned, black carbon accumulation, chingery gets weak. Do you know what the result is? The car is late to start, engine shake, mileage is reduced, acceleration doesn't stay right. Many say, the car is moving, why should I change it? But remember, bad spark plug. Slowly, your fuel injector and damage the engine. How long? How many kilometers after change? Now comes the most important question. How long will I change the spark plug? It depends on the type of spark plug. Normal copper plug, 15 to 20,000 kilometer. Platinum plug, 40, 60,000 kilometer. Iridium plug, 80 or 1 million kilometers. On the streets of Bangladesh, dust jam hot more. As safe as it is best to check 20, 30,000 kilometer in a row. Signs of bad spark plug. If you see these signs in your car, trouble getting started in the morning, oil costs more, the car risks, suddenly the power goes down, then understand. It's time to check the spark plug. Ending, friends. Spark plug, small part. It is very important for the performance of the car. When you change in time, the engine is healthy. Mileage will be good. Love the video. Like Day, please comment. And to get such useful auto tips, subscribe to the channel. God Hafiz.